Ako, ipaglalaban ko. Either I articulate my disagreement out loud or I remain at indescribable silence. Naturally, I am stubborn and rebellious. I know it fully well and have always been comfortable to be one. Submission doesn't always come easy for me, but insubordination does. Especially when I don't like what is being told of me to do. This is so because I do things when I want to and the way I want it to be done. I go wherever I want to go, whenever I want to. I don't usually bother to ask somebody else's opinion. Neither do I listen nor accept it, especially if it goes against my way of thinking. I've always wanted things my way. I am my own leader and authority. I carried this tendency with me subconsciously when I entered the missionary training. This is why I said earlier that learning humility is heartbreaking. During the training, God started to break my independent attitude, my proud spirit, and my stubborn heart. God allowed me to develop fear and to lose my self-confidence in various ways. God caused me to fail in areas where I didn't put my confidence in Him. When I carry out my responsibilities and fail to recognize Him. When I pray and doubt Him. When I lead people my own way. When I seek to be commended or applauded for my accomplishments. And when I fail to recognize my leader's authority over me.